హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈ రోజైతేనండి ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫీసర్ ఎవరైతే ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో వాళ్ళకి కొన్ని మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీ ముందుకైతే తీసుకొచ్చాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి మీకు చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతాయి మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడానికి అనే ఉద్దేశంతో నేనైతే ప్రిపేర్ అయితే చేశాను. సో ఎవరైనా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే చూసుకొని అయితే మీరు ఒక్కసారి చూసుకోండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మీరు ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయగలిగారో నాకు కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కూడా తెలియజేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇప్పుడైతే వీడియోని అయితే స్టార్ట్ చేసేద్దాము. మీ ఫ్రెండ్ సర్కిల్లో ఎవరైనా ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫీసర్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతుంటే వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఈ వీడియో అయితే షేర్ అయితే చేసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసేపటికి ఫ్యాట్ అండ్ ఎస్ఎన్ఓ స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ బఫెల్లో మిల్క్ ఆర్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ 1.5% అండ్ 18.5%, 4.5% to 18.5%, 6.0% and 8.5%, 6.0% and 9.0%. The buffalo milk containing 6% fat and SNF is 9%. Next question. Base material used for beer making is wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane. Answer C is the correct answer. Barley. Next question. Dole process is related to aseptic canning, blanching, comminuting, omic heating. Answer is aseptic canning. Next question. Egg whites are rich source of vitamin D, zinc, selenium. All this above. Answer is both are correct. Vitamin D, zinc, selenium are rich source in egg whites. Next question. Yellow color of egg yolk is due to lutein, zeaxanthin, both, none of the above. Both is the correct answer. Lutein and zeaxanthin. Next question. Gene is a principal protein of which crop? Wheat, mustard, corn, sesame. So answer corn is the correct answer. Next question. Cans treated with acid resistant lacquer cans are also known as A enamel, C enamel, R enamel, none of the above. B is the correct answer. C enamel. Next question. Minimum expansion of water occurs in slow freezing, blast freezing, IQF, all of the above. Answer C is the correct answer. IQF. Next question. Celiac disease is related to origin, gliadin, gene, hordin. So answer B is the correct answer. Next question. Salometer is used to measure the strength of brine solution, sugar solution, acid solution, alkali solution. Answer A is the correct answer. Brine solution. Next question. Who is considered as a father of canning? Robert Hooke, Louis Pasteur, Nicholas Appert, Curin. So answer C is the correct answer. Nicholas Appert is a father of canning. Next question. Compound responsible for antimicrobial activity of clove is eugenol, cinnamaldehyde, campin, terpenol. So answer is A is the correct answer. Eugenol. Next question. Characteristic of bakery fat is low melting, high melting, sharp melting. So answer is sharp melting is the correct answer. Next question. Function performed by nitrates in cured meat. Pink color, prevent spoilage, both, none of the above. Answer C is the correct answer. Pink color and prevent spoilage. Next question. Time temperature combination used for milk pasteurization. 63 degrees centigrade 30 minutes, 63 degree 15 minutes, 72 degree 30 minutes, 72 degree 15 minutes. So answer 63 degree 30 minutes is the correct answer. Which one of the present in highest amount in finger millet ragi? Thiamine, niacin, iron, calcium. Calcium is the correct answer. Next question. Cider is prepared from wheat, barley, apple, grapes. So answer C is the correct answer. Apple. Cider is prepared from apple. Next question. Meat fat is rich in saturated fat, unsaturated fat, both, none of the above. Answer is B is the correct answer, unsaturated fat. Next question. Common adulterant in black pepper is brick sand, papaya seed, urea, pomegranate seeds. So answer B is the correct answer, papaya seed. Next question. TSS in JAM as per FSSAI: NLT 60, NMT 60, NLT 65, NMT 65. So answer C is the correct answer, NLT 65. Next question. Which one is not available for fermentation by yeast during bread making? Glucose is the correct answer. In food industry, rotameter is used to measure viscosity, flow rate, RPM, all. So answer is flow rate is the correct answer. TQM stand for total quality management, temperature quantity, tertiary quality management, tertiary quantity management. So answer total quality management. Fat standards for double toned milk is 0.5 percentage, 1.5 percentage, 3.0 percentage, 6.0 percentage. Answer B is the correct answer, 1.5 percentage. Diet containing is helpful in controlling pellagra: cauliflower, cabbage, both, none of the above. So answer C is the correct answer, both cauliflower and cabbage. Next question. Mold growth in bread is due to Rhizopus stolonifera, Rhizopus oryza, Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus oryza. So answer A is the correct answer, Rhizopus stolonifera. Next question. Saffron is obtained from which portion of the plant? Seed, stigma, sepal, petal. Answer B is the correct answer, stigma. Next question. Food poisoning is caused by Salmonella, Lactobacillus, Penicillium, Candida. So answer A is the correct answer, Salmonella. Next question. Marasmus is caused due to deficiency of vitamins, minerals, protein, fat. Answer C is the correct answer, protein. Next question. Freezing has most pronounced effect on which of the following attribute of fruits and vegetables? Color, flavor, texture, taste. Answer C is the correct answer, texture. Next question. Rotavirine is used in teas processing for withering, rolling, fermentation, drying. Answer B is the correct answer, rolling. Next question. Each degree of selenometer scale corresponds to 0.2.65% NaCl is the correct answer. Next question. Consumer Protection Act came in year 1973, 1986, 1993, 2006. So Consumer Protection Act came in year 1986. Next question. Base material used for rum making: wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane. Answer D is the correct answer, sugarcane. Next question. Which of the following component is present in highest amount in whole egg? Water, protein, fat, carbohydrate. Water is the correct answer. Next question. Smoking treatment is used for the preservation of fruit, milk, meat, vegetables. So answer C is the correct answer, meat. Veal is the meat of pig, calf, goat, buffalo, calf. Burgess is a cocoa variety, processing method of cocoa beans, cocoa based drinks, cocoa shipment method. So Burgess is a cocoa shipment method. Next question. Total plate count is expressed as CFU per ml, cells per ml, viable cells per ml, none of the above. CFU per ml. Next question. HACCP stands for Hazardous Analysis Central Critical Parameters. Hazardous Analysis Critical Control Point. Hazardous Analysis Combined Critical Point. Health Analysis Critical Control Point. HACCP stands for Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. The scientific name of the licorice plant is. Answer is A is the correct answer. Next question. Which one is used for the adulteration of dried coriander powder? Horse dung powder, cow dung powder, buffalo dung powder, all the above. So answer A is the correct answer, horse dung powder. The most preferred type of yeast used in baking is instant yeast, compressed yeast, dry yeast, breweries yeast. Answer B is the correct answer, compressed yeast. Intrinsic factor for microbial growth is temperature, pressure, humidity, water activity. Answer is water activity is the correct answer. Potassium metabisulfate should not be used for the foods containing meat, vitamin, raw fruits, all. All is the correct answer. Gluten, protein are water soluble, water insoluble, fat soluble, none of the above. Answer B is the correct answer, water insoluble. Next question. The bioactive compound in ginger is ginseng, gingerol, gingerin, allicin. Answer is B is the correct answer, gingerol. Next question. Which of the following is regarded as a king of spices? Chili, pepper, turmeric, aniseed. So answer B is the correct answer, pepper. Next question. Which of the following prevents the spoilage of fat is? Answer C is the correct answer, antioxidants. Next question. Central Agamark Laboratory is situated at Chennai, Delhi, Nagpur, Kolkata. Answer C is the correct answer, Nagpur. Next question. Most commonly used fumigant in stored grains. Methyl bromide, phosphine, carbon dioxide, both A and B. Both A and B is the correct answer. Methyl bromide, phosphine. Next question. Compound responsible for butter flour is. Answer is diacetyl. Next question. Test used for the detection of vanaspati adulteration in geese. Perfural test, Bowden test, both, none of the above. Answer B is the correct answer. Both A and B is the correct answer. Next question. Which one is used for iron fortification of food products? Ferrous sulfate, ferrous gluconate, ferrous lactate, all of the above. Answer D is the correct answer, all of the above. Next question. Minor ingredient used in bread making. Sugar, fat, maida, water. So answer A is the correct answer, sugar. The gluten formation starts at which stage in bread making? Hydration, development, pickup, clean. Hydration is the correct answer. Spoilage of fruit juice is due to lactic acid fermentation, organic acid fermentation, simple production, all of the above. So answer is all of the above is correct answer. Anti-nutritional factor present in egg. Avidin, phytic acid, saponin, tannin. Answer is A is the correct answer, avidin. Next question. Red color of tomatoes is due to anthocyanin, carotene, riboflavin, lycopene. Answer D is the correct answer, lycopene. Which of the following share highest portion of meat export in India? Cattle meat, goat meat, pig meat, poultry meat. Answer A is the correct answer, cattle meat. Next question. Temperature used in UHT processing milk. 135 degrees Celsius is the correct answer. Ultra high temperature UTH means. Which of the following is a component of myofibril? Actin, myosin, both. Answer both is the correct answer. Flavor component found in food products can be analyzed by calorimetry, chromatography, rheology, psychometry. So answer B is the chromatography is the correct answer. bioactive component of garlic having health benefits? Glycine, allicin, melicin, allyl sulfate. Answer B is the correct answer. Allicin. Next question. Food sterilization via irradiation is also known as gas sterilization, cold sterilization, neutral sterilization, all. So answer B is the correct answer. Cold sterilization. Identify the correct statement. Cereals are rich in methionine and lysine. Cereals are deficient in methionine and lysine. Cereals are rich in methionine and deficient in lysine. Cereals are deficient in methionine and rich in lysine. Answer C is the correct answer. Cereals are rich in methionine and deficient in lysine. Defense Food Research Laboratory is located at Delhi, Hyderabad, Nagpur, Mysore. Mysore is the correct answer. Common salt effects of meat during curing. Color, flavor, appearance, all. So common salt affects meat during flavor. According to BIS standards, minimum fat content in kova should be 37% is the correct answer. Glazing of fish is practiced to protection of it from oxidation, freezer burn is the correct answer. Poultry eggs are rich source nutrient except oxidation, freezer burn, both, none of the above. So answer is none of the above is the correct answer. Which of the following is true about wax coating fruits? Increase surface gloss, decrease rate of transpiration, increase shelf life. Answer all is the correct answer. It increase the surface gloss, decrease rate of transpiration, increase the shelf life. ISO 14001 is related to management of food safety, environment, energy, food quality. Answer B is the correct answer. Environment. Which of the following compound is characterized by the presence of NH2 and carboxyl COOH group? Carboxylic acid, amino acid, ascorbic acid, retinol. Answer B is the correct answer. Amino acid. Which of the following is specially related to fruits and vegetables? FPO, FSSA, Agamark, all. So FPO is specially related to fruits and vegetables. Next question. Which one is not dependent on food product size? Pasteurization, ohmic heating, both, none of the above. Answer B is the correct answer. Ohmic heating. Next question. The deficiency of calcium and vitamin D in children leads to osteomalacia, rickets, scurvy, pellagra. Answer B is the correct answer. Rickets. Next question. Yogurt is fermented product of which containing virus, bacteria, yeast, all the above. Bacteria is the correct answer. Next question. Freezing of food is a good method for preservation as it doesn't allow growth of pathogens. It doesn't allow growth of psychrophiles. It retards the enzymatic reaction. All the above. So answer is all the above is the correct answer. Next question. Pulse electric field works by electric breakdown of cell wall, application of high pressure, high heat treatment, none of the above. Answer A is the correct answer. Electric breakdown of cell wall. Next question. Oil content in sesame seed is 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%. So answer is 50% is the correct answer. Next question. The pectin content in citrus peels is 20 to 30%, 10 to 20%, 30 to 40%, 40 to 50%. Answer is 20 to 30% is the correct answer. Next question. Milling of wheat is done to separate endosperm from germ and bran, separate oil from germ, separate bran from germ, none of the above. So answer A is the correct answer. Next question. Controlled atmospheric packaging monitors the gases inside the package, monitor the external gases, monitors and controls the gases inside the package, none of the above. Answer C is the correct answer. Which of the following is a climatic fruit? mango, orange, grapes, strawberry. Mango is the correct answer. The fat content in double toned milk is 0.5%, 1.5%, 1%, 3.5%. Answer is B is the correct answer, 1.5%. For a optimum jelly preparation, which one is correct? pH 3.1, acid, sugar 67.5% is the correct answer. The jelly preparation, the correct one is pH 3.1, acid 1%, sugar 67.5%. Which of the following helps to retain color of meat? NaCl, nitrates, bromates, none of the above. Nitrates is the correct answer. Myoglobin binds to which gas in muscles? O2 is the correct answer. Heating of collagen leads to formation of gelatin is the correct answer. Ground meat with skin around it is called as A is the correct answer. Folic acid deficiency leads to pellagra, anemia, scurvy, beriberi. Answer is anemia is the correct answer. Pascal is a unit of measurement of pressure is the correct answer. Hedonic scale is used for sensory analysis, protein analysis, fat analysis, none of the above. Answer A is the correct answer, sensory analysis. Which of the following test involves two similar and one dissimilar? Triangle is the correct answer. Which of the following is responsible for sour taste? Citric acid is the correct answer. Most common type of spoilage in scan is answer TA spoilage is the correct answer. The radiation does for inhibiting sprouting in potato is 0.05 to 0.15 kgby. The hormone involved in the conversion of glycogen to glucose in the liver is glucagon, insulin, vasopressin, none of the above. Answer glucagon is the correct answer. Disease which arises due to insufficient glucose metabolism is diabetes mellitus, diabetes insipidus, celiac disease, goiter. Answer A is the correct answer, diabetic mellitus. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ప్రాక్టీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి మీ ప్రిపరేషన్ చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎవరికైనా మీ ఫ్రెండ్ సర్కిల్లో ప్రిపేర్ అవుతుంటే వాళ్ళకి ఈ వీడియో అయితే షేర్ అయితే చేయండి. మీకు కనుక నచ్చినట్లయితే ఒక చిన్న లైక్ చేసి సపోర్ట్ అయితే చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్.